Hi everyone, this will be a video on version control. So this is just an initial introduction to what version control actually is, what it does for us, as a super important concept as a software developer, and most likely any place that you go to work for will use some form of version control, and that form of version control is most likely going to be Git. So let's talk about what it is at first. So version control, if you've ever used something like Google Docs where something's keeping track of your changes automatically, um, version control is sort of like that. It doesn't do it automatically for you, but it's basically a way that you can kind of keep a timeline of all the changes you've made to your code. So if we take a look at this page, this is GitHub, which is what we'll be using for version control. Um, you can see all these different commits, and if I select a commit, you can see the different code that I've changed. And you might not understand this code, but it's lines that have been changed basically. So what version control gives us is a way that we can keep track of changes over time, and a way that we can work with other people to collaborate on a project without overriding each other. So if I make a change and another developer makes a change, and we push them to the same place, we're not going to overwrite each other. We're going to rectify those changes together. Um, so that's the gist of version control. And so the version control de facto standard used basically everywhere is something called Git. So Git is the version control of choice almost everywhere I've ever worked at. Knowing Git is a major boon in your toolbox to put on your resume and whatnot, because it'll if you don't know it, you'll be expected to learn it. So might as well learn it now. That's it. Thank you.